How to delete a SharePoint Online site. In this video, we see the very simple steps to delete a site that you have created in SharePoint Online. Excuse me for a moment, I just wanted to quickly introduce myself, then I'll let you continue. I am one of the Microsoft MVPs and I am an expert in all the technologies revolving around Microsoft 365. So if you want updates on SharePoint, the world of intranet, perhaps on Teams or Microsoft Copilot, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Let's navigate inside my computer so I can explain the steps to follow in order to delete your website. To delete our site in SharePoint, follow these steps. 1. Click on the configuration icon at the top right of the page. 2. Choose the site information menu item. 3. In the site information, you will find the option to delete our site. When you click on delete, SharePoint will ask you a very important question to confirm if you are sure you want to delete the site. Since your site is linked to a Microsoft 365 group because it was initially created with a team site template, SharePoint wants to ensure that you are aware and still decide to delete all the resources linked to the group, which are in turn linked to the SharePoint Online site you are deleting. Please proceed with caution and make an informed decision. Take into account the potential impact on the linked resources and consider consulting with your team before proceeding with the deletion process. In this instance, I will proceed to delete all of the files within the site, the group on Teams, any tasks and plans that have been created on Planner and are linked to this group, the OneNote notebook, and other related items. By opting for delete, I am taken to the SharePoint homepage, which confirms that I have successfully deleted my SharePoint site and concluded the deletion process. How can I retrieve it at this moment? Suppose I made an error. Suppose I intended to delete the website, but then I recalled there was a crucial file inside that I wish to recover. It is important to note that the site will be retained in a recycle bin for a duration of 30 days, and it can be restored by a user who possesses the required permissions of a SharePoint Online administrator through the administration of SharePoint Online platform. This is very simple. From the home page of the SharePoint administration area, you select the Sites menu. There is a particular option available to access the list of sites that have been deleted. Here is our website, and here I have the choice to either restore this site and make it active again, or permanently delete it. These were the necessary steps to delete a site on SharePoint Online. Until we meet again.